Calibrating the toolbar side shift module on your precision row crop cultivator is a simple process that will ensure precise weed management throughout the season. Once you've started up and unfolded your cultivator, leave the cultivator in the raised position and navigate to the calibration page on the in-cab display. You'll see the side shift module, or SSM option, on the screen, along with a calibrate button. Before clicking the calibrate button, place the remote controlling the side shift hydraulics into 100% continuous flow. Once the side shift module is receiving hydraulic flow, click the calibrate button. Ensure the area surrounding the implement is clear and that no one is around the machine. A pop-up menu will ask you to confirm this. Once you click Continue, the calibration process will begin. The cultivator will shift throughout the entire toolbar side shift range and then center itself. You will see the progress bar running during this time, and once the calibration is complete, a green checkmark will be displayed beside the SSM status. The side shift module should not need to be calibrated again unless a sensor or ECU is replaced. For complete setup and calibration, refer to the Salford Precision Row Crop Cultivator Operator's Manual.